how to create your first nutrition program on Ekklo. The goal is simple, to support your clients with their fitness, but also with their diet, using a clear, structured, and 100% personalized plan. Whether it is a weight loss, hybrid, or muscle gain plan, it doesn't matter. With Ekklo, you can create meal plans easily in just 10 minutes. Before we start, you should know that on Ekklo, you can create meal plans like this, but also give clients advice on calories and macros. Your clients can scan their food or even take photos of it to improve tracking without necessarily needing a meal plan. We are now in the Ekklo app and we are going to click on resources, then nutrition. Once that is done, we will see a very simple dashboard where you can see your programs, meal templates, meal plans, and also food equivalencies. Now we are going to create a nutrition program. We will click on create a program. For example, weight loss program. Once that is done, you will be asked if you want to set max calories and macros to save time. When you create your nutrition program, it is not mandatory. You can do it. It is an option. Once the nutrition program is created, we will have the option to create a meal plan. So here we have two choices, either create a new meal plan or start from a base using templates. We are going to create a new one. So for example, there are many possibilities. Day on, day off, Monday, Tuesday, or meal 1, meal 2. You can put whatever you want. I will start with day on as that is the simplest way, and then we will click create. Once the meal plan has been created, you will see the food list on the left and the meal plan on the right. Once that is done, on the left-hand side, there is a search bar to find food items easily, or you can use a small filter. So here you have several categories: fruits, vegetables, meat, poultry, whatever you want. You can also favorite foods, filter for your own foods or Ekklo foods, and select the source. You can choose the Centralize sauce or the Open Food Fact sauce, where you will find more specific food brands. Once that is done, we will go straight to the search bar and we will type in, for example, rice. And we will take the first type of rice that suits us best. And then we will drag and drop it. Drag and drop, it couldn't be any simpler. Once that is done, we will enter the weight in grams, for example, 100 grams. And as you can see, the calories and macros will be updated automatically every time. If you want, you can also add your own meal notes and meal plan notes as well. For each meal, you can view the nutritional details. Once that is done, you can also, if you wish, click on the top left to add recipes to your client's meal plans. On Ekklo, we have 200 food recipes available in the app. You can create an unlimited number of your own. There is no problem with that. Finally, a big advantage of the nutrition programming part is that you can set food equivalencies. Obviously, you don't want your client eating only rice every day, which is normal. You can click on the right arrow and the up arrow to set food equivalencies. So for example, here we have 100 grams of raw rice. We will add pasta. We will drag and drop it. And the calculation will be created automatically based on the food's calories, or based on proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. This way, you don't have to do a thing. We'll automatically calculate the equivalence of the foods that have been added here. Once that's done, you can go ahead and add foods whenever you want. It's going to automatically create some sample meals. You can also rename them, of course. And naturally, you can add other meal plans by clicking the little plus at the top left and setting, for example, we did day on, so let's do day off. And each time you can add different foods. Once it's ready to send it to your client, click on configure at the top right. So here we have the program settings with the title, the status, and the assignment. So you just select the client and then you can send it to them. And that's it. The meal plan has been sent automatically to your client's phone. We're now automatically in the client section. And so your clients at the top right will have all the recipes available in the app. They can sort by breakfast, lunch, or dinner, for example. They can put whatever they want. Then right next to that, we have a shopping cart icon. What does that mean? Every time you send a meal plan to a client, a shopping list automatically generated by AI will be created, including the number of people and the number of days every time. And finally, you'll click on the file at the top right for the meal planning section. So here, they'll have all their programs. Your client, they can click on the meal plan, for example, with Monday, breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. And for each one, they'll have the foods along with alternatives. Once that's done, your client can click on the food and add it to their calorie total. And how do you know if your client has followed the program you sent? You just have to go to the Client tab, click on the Nutrition tab, and you'll get an overview of your client's nutritional tracking. Here you'll see the calories they ate and the macros they ate as well, with carbs, proteins, and fats. And you can either look at a 1-week overview or check it day by day. So day by day, you can see your client, if they've followed the diet, both in terms of food and also in terms of hydration. And there you go, you now know how to easily send a program to your clients in just 10 minutes. The advantage of the meal planning part is that you can also follow and track what your clients are eating every day with a recipe section and shopping lists generated by AI. And if you want to go even further with Ekklo Academy, I invite you to watch the next video.